My YouTube journey began 13 years ago. At that time, I had just finished building my first CNC machine. I had been sharing some of my experiences online and was getting questions from the community. And so I decided to make some videos just to show how I had done things. For about 2 months, I was posting consistently. My videos were getting some views, but I just attributed this all to the community I was sharing it with. Life happened and YouTube fell on the back burner. 2 years went by and I noticed my videos had been gaining some attention and I reached the 1,000 subscriber mark. I was ecstatic, and the first thing I did was I hit the monetize button. That's what I did. And then nothing. I put no more effort into YouTube. I posted no more content, nothing. The years went by, my channel slowly grew, with one of my videos reaching over 600,000 views, and still I did nothing. Sometimes I ask myself, where would my channel be at had I stayed consistent those 13 years ago? But I realized there's no point in dwelling on the past. So here's to a new year. Be consistent. Just start. Do what you love. Be there for those that you love. My goal is to keep growing, to grow in my knowledge, to grow in my video quality, to grow in my consistency, and to keep doing what I love. I guess what I'm trying to say is just start.